Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, consider subscribing. This channel is mainly hair, beauty, and fashion. Now in today's video, I have some magnetic lashes, so I'm super excited because I've never tried magnetic lashes before. And this is from Lady B Magnetic Lashes. I received these complimentary a few days ago, and we're gonna try them out together today. I'm gonna let you know how this goes, and let's just see. So let's open it up. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. And it actually came with some little lash holders, so that's nice. And then this, I'm assuming, is the lash magnetic liner, I believe it's called. And then I have a little comb. Oh, these are pretty, and I love the packaging. So here's the packaging. It's a pretty lavender, so I really like that. And it says Lady B Magnetic Lashes, and it's glittery all around. So really cute packaging. Boss eyes is the style she sent me. They're pretty. I really like them, and I love the packaging. I love that the glitter continues in here. Like, that's just so cute. Now, one thing, let me see. There's no directions. So I'm just gonna go by what I think I'm supposed to do. And yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard, right? So I'm first just going to measure these on my actual eyelash and see if any needs to come off. And it looks like they fit my eyes like kind of perfect. So I'm not going to take any off. Y'all, I have my headband. Why y'all didn't tell me I was recording with my little head thing on? I had to take that off and come back. Anyways, let's get back to it. I'm going to go ahead and start by applying the magnetic eyeliner. I'm really hoping it just snap right on. I don't have no issues, but let's see how this goes. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait. Maybe I should give it a couple seconds. Alexa, set timer for 20 seconds.
20 seconds, starting now.
Alright, our 20-second timer is going off. Alexa, stop. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got a little snappage. Not too bad. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm actually kind of juiced. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm trying to get it to keep it as close to my natural line as possible. Whoop. Okay, Alexa, set timer for 30 seconds. It actually has a magnetic thing to hold it, so it just snaps right back onto the magnet. So that's pretty cool too. So when you take them off, just snap them babies right back into their place. Okay, so it's been over 30 seconds. Let's see if I could get the same little snap action. But these, they are very pretty and they look really nice. I just see that I have to get them closer to my original lash line. But they're like, look, like they're on there. I'm liking it. I'm a fan. Y'all, I really like these. I've been having them on for maybe like an hour now because my camera battery died. But yeah, like they're cute. They're still stuck on in the same place. They have a really nice style to them. So it's a go. It's a go. It's a go. But yes, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below as always. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let YouTube know that y'all like me. Y'all want more people to see me. I really appreciate the love and the support, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.